In the world of life sciences, the microscope has long been a crucial tool for unlocking the secrets of the natural world. But in the 21st century, a new tool has emerged that is just as important: big data analysis.
Big data analysis is like a microscope for the digital age. It allows scientists to examine vast amounts of data, looking for patterns and insights that would be impossible to see with the naked eye.
Just like a microscope, big data analysis is helping scientists to make revolutionary breakthroughs in the field of life sciences.
By analyzing data from experiments, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of how living organisms work and how they can be treated when they go wrong.
This knowledge is already leading to new treatments and therapies that are improving human health and well-being.
But big data analysis is not just about improving our understanding of the natural world. It's also helping us to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity. By analyzing data from cities, for example, we can gain insights into how to make them more sustainable and livable.
And by analyzing data from renewable energy sources, we can find ways to make them more efficient and cost-effective.
Big data analysis is the microscope of the 21st century, unlocking the secrets of life sciences and paving the way for revolutionary breakthroughs that will improve human health and well-being. It's a powerful tool that is changing the world in ways we never thought possible.